What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out your alternator on a 2010 F150. This is the 5.4 liter V8 and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and loosen these two hose clamps and get this air box pulled out. Alright, so we got the air box pulled out. The next thing that we got to do is pull this plug right here and then pull the cap off of this thing. And then there is a nut below that we got to remove, and then that will expose this plate right here that has 4 bolts on it that we'll have to take off. But before removing these plugs, you're going to want to go ahead and disconnect your battery, and make sure you disconnect the negative first, then the positive. Alright, so we got our electrical connections pulled. This guy right here uses a 13, and then for this electrical connection you just gotta push this plastic in on the back side, because it flips over like this. You gotta push that in and pull it out, and then now we're gonna go ahead and get this bracket pulled, and these are a size 10. Alright, so we got our plate loosened up, and then next we're going to pull the serpentine belt. So you just want to use a 1/2 inch socket and get it on the tensioner, and then you just want to release the tension, pull it off, and then try and set it somewhere so that it'll kind of stay where it is, so you don't have to re-loop it around everything. Alright, so we got our belt held up there with some zip ties, and the last thing, we got 2 bolts at the bottom here. These are both size 10 on either side. We can go ahead and pull those, and then this thing should be ready to come out. Alright, so we got the old one out, we got our new one. I would recommend getting an OEM one, and we're just going to put this one in reverse of this way we took the other one out. Alright, so we got everything put together. Make sure you get your battery reconnected, and you should be good to go.